Hello guys, good morning and welcome to Ben's blog. So today we're going to talk about how to save and find a folder for your DEEPSEA configurations, and how we can write it to the correct module. For example, this one is like 6110 or 6120. So once you save the file, you have to make the folder and name it, and if you have the USB or the flash drive where you can save it your file, or you can save it directly to your laptop, that is easy to find it. So now I will show you how to make it that one, and how we will match those configurations to your module if in case it is not matching. So only the main thing you have to know is what type of module you are saving, what is the version, and where the file you save, so it's easy for you to find it or to search it to your laptop or to your computer. So it is not a problem for you to make it. It's easy. So now I will show you. So okay guys, let's open first our DEEPSEA configurat or DEEPSEA configuration, so we can see where we can save our file. For example, you open already and you are connected to your module. By the way, these applications or this process is for all DEEPSEA module. So for example, you want to save the file, or just at the top you can find it here, the folder and the save. Okay, if you put your cursor here, you can see save. So this is the one how to save it. For example, you have already configurations, just click this one. For example, if you are connected to the module, if you want to sure, just read it first, the module, just read it. Okay, so you have to read the module first, so you have to make sure that you can take the configurations that you did before, and then after that, once it is read, it's meaning that one is already here in your computer. Now what is the next thing is you have to check where you can save it. For example, like this, then you have to write where you want to, or what is the name of your configurations and where you want to save it. Yeah, for example, here it is from PC, this is from the C, users and documents and DEEPSEA configuration. So there you can find this save folder. So you have to name the folder, for example, this config. Okay, so once you click the save, so it will save. So here in the options here is where you can find. So what is the problem you encounter sometimes? For example, you have to read it already, you have to write it the module because you save it already. For example, you have the new module and the same. So this is only the one thing that I'm to make it sure that you have at the same module. For example, you have the Mac 3, Mac 2, 6120, or what is the version. You have to look the versions in it, so it is applicable, or if it is match the configurations what you save and what you write to the module. So because if there is a differences between the Mac 2, Mac 3 and the versions, it will not match, it will not write to your module if you want to write it, or if you want to route it from the module, or if you want to flash it to the module, it will not match, it will just error. Okay, so for example, okay, you have the configurations of Mac 3 and this is 2.4 configurations, and your module is lower versions, like it is only one version or two versions, so it is not much. How you can change it, the versions of you have to go from the tools, update firmware, and here you can select what is the module. Okay, so we have 61 Mac 3, open it, and here you can change it as the same as what your module versions, then update that one, After it's finished, just follow the process, and then once it is finished, then you can write directly to your module, so it will not error. So this is the main thing you have to look on if you are going to flash your save configurations. Okay, so one more thing is, if you want, for example, to change the batch file, so here only you can change the batch file. For example, here you have this one is you have already the configurations, and you need to change the batch file for this one. If you want to change 6120 version 4 and anything here, you can change it. Okay, just search your module, how you can, and what is the options you can do it from this type of module. You have also to study on it and read the manual, what is the update, read is what is the more you can do it in this module. So if you are doing the configurations, you have to know, and you have to study also what module can do for you. And if in case that it is corrupted, just flash again, just make it update firmware again, so it will restore all the software from that's the missing one. That's why it is as corrupt, because there is some missing during that process. So you have to update the firmware again, and then after that, once it is finished, you can write it back your configurations. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about it, because it is very simple. And how to save, how to search your file. For example, if you want to search your file, just click this one, this folder, and you have, like, it shows already we have here, for example, but you have the flash file, or I have the hard drive. I can search here in my drive, where is my configurations is. So it's here, just click it down, and you can find where is the configurations is. And if you are familiar what you are doing, so you have to look on what the name of the folder you are saving on this computer or your flash, so it's easily for you to find it, and you can write it directly to your module. Okay, so that is how a simple thing you have to want to save your configurations is only flash drive, or you have the computer, or you have the laptop, so you can save the your configurations. And you need the USB and the module itself, so you can save it, or you can take it the file and make some folder for it. So if, as I told you, if it is not much, just update the firmware, or if it is not wrote, double check what is the versions of your module, double check what is the type of the module, if it is 6120 and 6110 Mark 2, Mark 3, so you have to know that one. Because if it is you just write directly without checking, there is some possibility that it will not write your configurations. Okay, so by the way, I think we are done for this, and then I will if you have some problem, if you have some comment, or if you have some doubt how to do it, just comment down below, so I can make it for you. I can make some video how to do it. I can just comment down, so I know also, and I can help you how to do it. So by the way, benzblog is here. Thank you for watching, and please support my channel, and share to your friends, to the other people, so we can grow more about it, so I can make it also more video for you, so we can share a lot of topics and a lot of ideas from generator and the rest of it. So bye bye, see you again in my next vlog.